Hello everyone, and welcome to another update on a stormy January 23rd, 2024. So today we are seeing Storm Jocelyn settled to our north, actually far to our north towards Iceland, and we have the wind core of Storm Jocelyn currently affecting the west of Ireland, especially where these orange shades are towards Clare, Galway, Mayo, and up towards Donegal. We have an orange warning for wind for Galway, Mayo, and Donegal, and a yellow warning elsewhere. And earlier today, we had this area, a zone of rain and wind going eastwards with driving rain and strong winds. So basically, whatever warning you had during Storm Isha, just down one level. And also with the storm, obviously, we there are really many structures, trees that have been damaged by Isha. That's Jocelyn may or just give the final blow to, and we can see here is our ESB service power check map. And we can see that we have so many faults, especially in the northern half of the country, northwards of the line from Dublin to Galway. A significant amount of faults there. South of that, there are some faults towards Cork and Kerry, up towards Limerick, possibly towards Wicklow as well. But really, anywhere north of the Dublin to Galway line, a huge amount of outages there. And some of these are from Storm Isha. Actually, I have been looking at these in detail, and you have a lot from yesterday. Yesterday was quite a windy day with blustery showers, and then there were also some from today from Storm Jocelyn. So it's still windy, it's staying windy. So all this damage that has been done is just maintaining and getting worse. You can see a cluster there over Sligo of 104 faults. Obviously, this has just been updated, so if you zoom in there, it really isn't that extreme. But they are very scattered, and actually that looks really quite extreme and intense there. Here is the UKV forecast. So here we go again. Here's the usual. Today we have blustery showers moving eastwards behind that squally band of rain. Then tonight we will see a dry night with variable cloud and clear spells. Tomorrow we shall see hazy sunshine. It will become less hazy as the day goes on, especially in the north, but we will see a few showers there. Into tomorrow evening, then we see some rain moving northwards, and this is also with milder air. So Thursday we see a damp and mild day. Into Thursday evening we see an intense band of rain moving into western areas, and through the night that moves eastwards, and that does clear through towards colder air from the west on Friday, but it will be quite a dry day. And into the weekend, we see more rain and mild air, possibly some school lines in there as well. And into Sunday, into Monday, that next band of rain comes up from the south. So it's very changeable, zonal, alternating air masses, and so on. With that. Okay, so here is the temperature forecast. So say it was a very mild day, temperatures up to 13 Celsius in some areas. Then tonight, temperatures were lower, and tomorrow will be a cooler day with highest temperatures of around 8 degrees to 10 degrees. Tomorrow night will be cooler again, especially in Ulster. And into Thursday, temperatures rise back to around 12 degrees in many areas. And then into Friday, temperatures lower again, possibly starting off with the grass frost in the east. They're getting less cold through the day. And into Saturday, it goes milder again. So seeing cooler days, milder days, cooler days, milder days, and spells of rain. We'll quickly go through wind gusts with Storm Jocelyn. So we had this frontal core of winds earlier that is now moving out towards the Irish Sea and the UK. But here, towards the west and northwest, we're seeing wind gusts on the coast towards 70 miles per hour, and inland gusts widely this evening between about 45 and 60 miles per hour. So yes, definitely a very gusty night in store tonight. Many areas. But always strongest winds towards Galway, Mayo, and Donegal, where wind gusts may reach and go above 70 miles per hour. Into tomorrow, winds will abate, and it's generally not as windy into the rest of the week. Yes, breezy at times, yes, gusty, but nothing too severe. Might have the odd yellow warning, but no names should be needed. I'm just going through this. Here is the NAO index observed and forecasted. So looking at this, we can see that we're currently very positive for the index. It's going to go even more positive towards the end of the week, then collapse into early February, and that is again interesting. So here is the GFS 12Z. GFS has Storm Jocelyn tonight, clearing away through tomorrow, and it'll be dry tomorrow. However, on Thursday, we see that next system coming in, wet and windy again. Friday is drier and cooler. Before the weekend goes mild and damp. Monday is complex. It might be quite cold and damp on Monday. Then into Tuesday and Wednesday, it goes mild or very mild towards the start of February. Upper temperatures then, very mild. If not, a bit spring-like. Now into the end of next week, pressure weakens somewhat, but it stays to the south and it just stays quite mild and, dare I say it, benign and boring. For a while there, not much happening. A bit reminiscent of last February, and if this happens again, that would be pretty bad. So here is the ECMWF12Z run. ECM is only coming out now in detail. So ECM shows Jocelyn today, then tomorrow is a dry day, Thursday is mild and wet and windy, Friday is cooler and drier, Saturday is mild, wet and windy, Sunday is cooler and drier, Monday is mild and fairly dry. Sorry. Tomorrow's Wednesday. I think I was one day ahead. Tomorrow's Wednesday, we have dry day, Thursday is wet and windy, Friday is dry and cooler, Saturday is wet. Saturday is wet and windy. Sunday is wet and windy. Monday is cooler and drier. Tuesday is milder and drier. Wednesday is very mild. Yeah, very, very, very mild there. Thursday is very mild again and drier. So possibly towards the end of next week, we could be seeing a very mild spell, but also a very dry spell. And that, as I say, guys, is very, very reminiscent of last February. Same pattern. This ridge close to the south, just dragging in this very mild air over the country. Not sunny, just cloudy, and just a bit gloomy. So here is the UK Met Office run from today. So UK Met Office run is looking at this. So again, Jocelyn tonight and tomorrow. Wednesday we see that ridge coming through. Thursday again, next low comes in, bringing rain and winds, and then into Saturday and Sunday, we see some more rain and wind before Monday goes drier and cooler. And Tuesday goes wet and windy again. Here is the GEM. GEM is looking at this today. Now, I'm not seeing many hints from the models of going to a negative NAO pattern in early February. Looks like the Azure site will be very strong. So here is the here's the GEM. So again, very similar story. Dry tomorrow, followed by rain, wind on Thursday, dry on Friday. Then Saturday and Sunday are wet and windy. Monday is drier, not really. As I said, Monday is complex actually. There'll be a very complex low. And Tuesday and Wednesday in comes the rain and wind again. Possibly very, very mild into the end of next week. GEM again is really, really ramping up those upper temperatures. Widely up to about 13 Celsius. Just ridiculous. Temperature forecast with that. I mean, that's spring-like. Here is cloud cover, but it's pretty cloudy in many areas, apart from in the east. Here is the icon run. It's the icon. Icon looking at this. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. So icon, very very similar again. So we see dry tomorrow. Thursday's wet and windy. Friday is drier and cooler. Saturday is wet and windy. Sunday it's a bit drier in the icon. Monday is very mild, and then Tuesday is wet and windy again. So the icon is a bit different. And then finally we have the arpege. Now I say apart from the icon, up until Sunday it's very straightforward, but Monday is a bit complex, and next week just looks pretty, dare I say it, boring if that high comes off. Here is the arpege. So again, that ridge on Wednesday and Thursday, clearing to wet weather again with Friday, and by the weekend you've got this low around the country. So again, everyone, thanks for watching. Stay safe in Jocelyn, especially if you're in the western north. Just to say that the UK has a very widespread yellow warning, apart from the south and east of the UK, and there is an amber warning for the exposed western and northern coast of Scotland. And of course, Storm Isha has really weakened several structures and trees and may deal the final blow. And Jocelyn may deal the final blow. So thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow, and bye for now.